Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about creating keyboard shortcuts on your Windows 10 computer. So it's definitely a cool little feature to know about, and in today's tutorial I'll show you guys how to do it. So just for example, I have a shortcut on my desktop for Google Chrome. So in order to create this as a keyboard shortcut that if I tapped a combination of keys on my keyboard, it would launch the Chrome browser. In order to do that, you just want to right click on the shortcut, select Properties, and then where it says Shortcut Key, tap whatever letter key you want to use to initialize the shortcut key. So keep in mind it will do Control and Alt, so you'll have to do that no matter what, but by tapping different letters on your keyboard, it will indicate a different shortcut key. And you can see by changing the letter on your keyboard that you're tapping will change what the shortcut key field is here. And then you'll just select Apply and OK to save that. And now if you tap the shortcut key on your keyboard, it should launch whatever program or shortcut you had set it for. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.